Discipline from the fast bowlers and spinner as well. Or gets the inside edge. It's going away towards the boundary. Will pick up a lucky boundary. He's off the mark with a streaky boundary.
Streaky, but Bandamir Rajan will take that. Got an underage and the ball just swiveled across and reached the... Swings across the line and deposits the ball away to a deep mid-wicket boundary for yet another boundary here.
Short ball and it's been worked behind square. 4 runs. Fine leg was up in the circle at the squarish position, but he's found the gap.
Very good execution from Karim Jannat on that occasion. That was a short delivery down the leg side and he pulled that nicely to beat the diving fielder at the short third. Short fine just to get the...
Dawlat Zadran, Karim Jannat Paulandi. Oh, Dazal to Guru, the deep square leg boundary. Sakata Bandit Salur Mandi. Wow, Sumra. Pasra puri shot.
کریم جنت است که کارکردگی عمده در این روز بزرگ و سرنوشت ساز به خاطر تیم بندامیر انجام می‌دهد. یقینا از چنین بال‌ها استفاده از زمین و بزرگ کرده می‌تواند بازیکن بزرگ و موجود است.
اوه دازل پرلا پسی ګورو ټاپ د ډیپ سکور لیګ باندې څخه د باندې او چټکش پکیزا د کریم جنت لبیټ څخه واو کمال کوي کریم جنت د نن په لوبه کې 215 شپږیزه.
کریم جنت شورت‌های بزرگ خود را انجام می‌دهد طبق توقعات تمام علاقه‌مندان کرکت. بازیکنایی که می‌تواند درخشش خوب داشته باشد یقینا از
گورو انساید باندې ډېر زیات تاکید دی د ابراهیم زدران او شاټ سټریټ دغه بال باندې ته بهر د شپږ منډه لپاره دغه ډول مقیله لاسونه ورکوي کریم جنت. یو څه وروسته مخکې توپونه ډېر ښه و د شهید الله کمال خو دا ځل بهترینو.
وقتی که کریم جنت فیصله مسابقه یا بازی حمله‌آور را نماید یقینا در مقابل چنین بازیکن تغییر نمودن و یا هم موقعیت را تغییر نمودن فیلدرها هیچ نوع تاثیر بالای بیتینگش نمی اندازد و کریم جنت است که درخشش عالی و بزرگ را از خود نشان می دهد.
کورودان رحیمی که وګورو ډیره په لوبه روانه ده دواړو لوبډلو ترمنځ او دلته شاټ دی او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلورو منډو لپاره ښکلی شاټ بال په سمه توګه برابر کړ د بیټ لاندې راوسو له باونډرۍ څخه بهر یې د څلورو منډو لپاره ورګزار کړ. ډېر زیات نندارچیان تماشاچیان مینوال د نن لوبې لیدو ته راغلي او دغه لوبه له نږدې څخه ننداره کوي.
فول لیز بانلو او پلیسمنټ ډېر زیات په زړه پورې و د کریم جنت خالیګاه کې ولوب
ویښ منډې ترلاسه کړي. اووه منډې وروسته د نیمه فاصلې څخه تر څو
شاټ لوړه ښکلې او په زړه پورې شپږیزه. کریم جنت دلته خاموشه نه دی. نن د ده پیټ کې جادو شته او جادو ښایي دی.
بالکل دغه بال په لیدلو ارزي د یوې غټې شپږیزې لپاره له باونډرۍ څخه بهر ورګزار کړ.
ډېر ښکلی تصویر هم اخیستل شوی تسل په لوبغالي کې د ډرون کیمرې په واسطه باندې د افغانستان کرکټ بورډ مطبوعاتو څانګې له لورې سټارټ کې و داسې بالونه خو نه بخي کریم جنت. نن ډېر زیات تیز لګیا دی. 9 منډې کړي په 9 توپونو باندې او غټ لوبغاړی وایي چې په غټو سیالیو کې په کار راځي او دلته
شوې 12.4 اوره وروسته
خپله
ښکلی بال دغلته د بالر خپله هڅه وکړه تر څو بال راایساره کړي خو ناکامه هڅه وه. د لانګان فیلډر ضیا شریفي راځي دغه بال ته.
وګورئ اکانومي نن لږ څه لوړه ده. چون وکټ هم ترلاسه کړی. غټ شاټ کوشش بیا هم د میډ وکټ او وایډ لانګان ترمنځ څلور نورې منډې هم ترلاسه کیږي.
بالکل کریم جنت ډېر ښه لګیا دی. ډېر په زړه پورې کرکټ په روانه لوبه کې او ډېر ښه مخکې تګ کړی روانه سیالۍ کې کریم جنت د خپلې لوبډلې په ګټه. لوز باډونه نه دي پرې.
Swings it through the onside. Outstanding hit from Karim Jannat. First delivery dismissed from its presence. Lack of experience. Yamarab just drifting on the pad, bowling to his favourite area.
Now look at very well connected. When Kareem connects at this stage of the game, the ball really is going to fly into the center out of the park. Kareem has got that experience, played a lot for Afghanistan.
Against Sri Lanka and West Indies. Kareem Jannat smashes it down the ground for 6. Back-to-back sixes for Kareem Jannat. He's lighting up the show for the team Bande Amir. 212 sixes already in the tournament. What an innings already from Kareem Jannat.
Back of the lane delivery, very well picked up in the air. Long off fielder was just watching the ball. Kareem is in a good touch now.
Horizontal bat hit. He looks determined. Smashed away through extra cover. Fielder on the boundary. Can't get there. It's gone for 4. 4 vital runs here. He's taking the attack to the team Misanek.
And the crowd really wants Kareem to go for such kinds of shots. The crowd really enjoys 6s and 4s. Pitching outside the off stump, easy picking for Kareem Jannat. The ball looks like a pumpkin at this stage of the game. The fielder was beaten after a bounce.
Short delivery way outside the off stump, his favourite reason to score runs. To the attack from the far end. Smashes it straight down the ground. Straight down the ground for how many? 6.
Into the slot, over the side screen for a maximum this time from the bat of Kareem. He is 11 runs short to complete this 3rd century of the tournament.
6 is the demand. It's delivered already from this over. He's accelerating, and he's accelerating in some fine fashion. Clubbed it straight down the ground. You can't bowl him there at this stage in play. That went high in.
He is showing his seniority.
Goes again through the onside. Mid wicket on the boundary. Mid wicket on the boundary. It's gone over in for 6. What a way to move into the 90s. Terrific ball striking from Kareem Jannat. 95 lots of 49 deliveries.
What a knock from the bat of Kareem. Look at that shot, flying up in there for a long time. The fielder was swinging under the ball and he was almost to catch that one, but the ball flied over the advertising board for a 6 there.
Well over him. Point up. He is on 97. He squeezes it out. Down to third man for 4. Outstanding 100. Outstanding century from Kareem Jannat. What a time. What a way. And what a day to score century. Kareem Jannat take a bow. 101 of 51. Everyone is standing and applauding to this magnificent century from Kareem Jannat. Big day, big time, big stage. Beautifully played. Off the face of the bat, he middled everything in this innings. And he middles one to get to a century. 100 here at the Kabul Cricket Stadium. Time for joyful exuberance. Time to celebrate.
The great job for the team. Still 2 balls to come. Goes big.
Again. Straight down the ground. Straight down the ground for how many? 4 or 6.
Will be a check there. Straight as an arrow. Look at the crowd is on their feet. Really enjoyed Kareem's performance today in this important game.
Magnificent innings this from Kareem Jannat. It was travelling. It was travelling big time. The boundary. Oh, it hits the boundary on the full. It should be a 6. It should be a 6. Crowd behind him. Kareem gets a short ball, takes the top edge. This could be caught, yes. Anti-climax. Anti-climax, wicket falling of the last ball of the innings, but this has been a tremendous batting effort. A tremendous effort from Kareem Jannat. A hero is born here at the Kabul Cricket Stadium. It's Kareem Jannat for the team Bande Amir. Was struggling to score runs, to put bat on the ball. Very